The right hand has this chord, which is an A minor chord, but it's an inversion of the A minor chord. I'm going to leave it up to you to figure out which one. But notice that above that first chord, there's some finger numbers. Now, a general rule of thumb is that from now on, if you see a finger number, it's going to imply some sort of shift in position or shift in the basis of the bottom note. Make sure that you're reading the note names and not the finger numbers. So that does that chord for 4 bars, and then you notice there's a finger number change. The top 2 notes of the chord in the previous 4 bars stays the same, but your thumb moves up to this note, F. So now we're playing an F major chord, and then in measure 8, this major chord, which is an E major chord, which happens to be a 5 chord in the key of A minor. Then we shift registers a little bit. A minor chord in root position, and then you notice these changed finger numbers, which tells you that you've got a different finger position. And then starting in measure 17, you've got this scale, which you should all be familiar with. That's an A minor scale, and then this one. Also A minor. I'm going to leave it up to you to decide what form of the minor key that is. Okay, and then we're back like the beginning. And notice they don't give you the finger numbers again like they did in measure 1, because they assume that you know that this is the same notes, the same pattern, and therefore the same finger numbers. Measure 30, measure 31, and end on the tonic note with a tie. A couple other things I need to point out to you. This word, which is short for accelerando, which means to speed up slightly. And then also this word, rit, which is short for ritardando or retard, which means to slow down. And notice you have one in the 3rd measure from the end also. Okay, good luck.